bi radi živeli boljše, da bi bili bolj zdravi pa srečni. Ja, začnite se ukvarjati s sabo, ne sosedi. V oddaji Klepet ob kavi vam zaupamo kako.
Lepo pozdravljeni raziskovalci skrivnosti življenja spet v Klepet ob kavi, ko bomo gostili tematiko, ki nas lahko včasih prebudi, predrami in nas popelje v tiste skrite svetove in v odgovore na vprašanje, kdo vendarle smo kot ljudje. Je to vse, kar izkusimo v tem enem življenju? Morda slutimo ali celo vemo, da smo preživeli že kar nekaj življenj na tem planetu. Ali pa se nam morda odstira celo stik z dimenzijami onkraj časa, še preden je bil sploh ustvarjen naš planet, na katerem zdaj živimo, kot bitja, kot kolektivna zavest človeštva, ki se prebuja v popolnoma nov svet. O tem nam je v zadnjih 2 oddajah že veliko povedal naš gost Pregit Harris oziroma njegov vodnik Alcazar. Tam smo že povedali, kaj so zvezdna vrata kot eno najmočnejših orodij za razvoj zavesti in za odstiranje tančice, kjer dobivamo odgovore na vsa ta globoka, pomenljiva bivanjska vprašanja. Z nami je bila tudi takrat gospa Sandra Lamut, ki je terapevtka oziroma izvajalka meditacij z zvezdnimi vrati, mednarodna koordinatorka naših dogodkov zvezdnih vrat in seveda ponovno odkrivamo, spoznavamo, kaj pravzaprav je človek, kaj pravzaprav je vesolje, kaj je kvantno polje. O vsem tem danes še dosti bolj poglobljeno z našima gostoma. Dobrodošla Sandra Lamut, dobrodošel Pregit. Hello Pregit. Welcome back. It's wonderful and thank you for bringing the Stargate and to put it all together. How long does it take to build the Stargate for you?
Well, from start to finish, it's about an hour.
Wow, so good job. And thank you so much for blessing our studio with it. So, you mentioned in one of the previous shows already what Stargate is and how Alcazar works with you or through you and how humanity is changing now really rapidly. And we were curious, and our viewers are really curious, about quantum field. You mentioned quantum field.
Yeah.
Can you explain to us what it actually is?
Well, it's actually a difficult concept to understand in a short while, but let me give you a demonstration that Alcazar uses. He says, if you can imagine that everything in my hand is enclosed, everything in the physical dimension, that means the Earth, the universe, is all inside this little space. And the quantum field is all this. The quantum field includes everything, all the dimensions. It's vast, it holds every potential, and it's where our superconsciousness exists. Alcazar says that we are a superconscious being, and a small part of that superconsciousness is actually in our body. What we refer to as our consciousness is a small part of who we really are.
So what is in my body is not everything that I am.
No.
Okay? So, all right. And how are we changing now collectively as humanity? Is it through DNA activation with Stargate, by taking more in, taking more superconsciousness in a way?
Well, basically, humanity slowly is becoming more conscious. And we do this through meditation. There's all kinds of yoga and all kinds of different techniques which are raising our vibration. The Stargate is an accelerator. It accelerates consciousness, the growing and the raising of the consciousness, and that involves, in that process, the balancing of the body becoming more healthy, more vibrant.
So how would you best explain, I know it's very difficult, who we really are?
Yeah. We are pure consciousness. And again, that's difficult to grasp initially, but many people now are familiar with the concept of past lives. We live lifetime after lifetime after lifetime. And the super consciousness is that part of yourself, the real you, as Alcazar often calls it. That consciousness is moving from body to body to body, lifetime after lifetime. And the amazing thing is that even though we may have lived 100 or more lifetimes in the human form, we've lived elsewhere before we became human. We've actually lived out there in various other civilizations on other planetary systems out in the universe.
Wow.
And part of the Stargate work is actually working with what we call the star families, those super intelligent, benevolent beings.
I know from working with you that some people who didn't even have a clue about the existence of any star families at all of a sudden feel connected for the first time in their lives of who they really are. There was a participant in Bled, actually in Slovenia, who said, I've never even heard of this star family. I think it was the Arcturians.
Yeah.
And she said, in tears, these are my brothers and sisters, my parents, this is who I am. So can you name a few of the star families, maybe for our audience listening to you just now, to get a sense of what they are, who
One
they are?
group that works a lot with are the Pleiadians, and we have another wonderful example. There was a lady in Bulgaria, elderly lady, 70s perhaps. She came to the workshop, she said, I don't really know why I'm here. And in the meditation, she had an incredible experience of meeting a Pleiadian. What she said was, and she was so excited afterwards because she had no idea about star families either. She said, I had my eyes closed and all of a sudden there was this very tall, slim man, and he was kind of a vague bluish color, and he was sending me so much love. And she said, afterwards, my body was healed. She'd had a problem in her body for many, many years, and afterwards it was gone. And so that's the way that these star families work with us. They are more advanced. They've been through this process of awakening or becoming more conscious, and they've reached that state that we sometimes call enlightenment. They reached that eons ago on our time frame, and so now they want to assist humanity in this process of becoming more conscious, changing our planet back into a wonderful, beautiful place where it's functioning on love and self-appreciation and equality. So that's where we're going.
And you're looking at Sandra, and Sandra is nodding because she gets to witness a lot of it. And also, Sandra, ti si usposobljena izvajalka teh meditacij z zvezdnimi vrati. Koga vse recimo lahko pokličemo na teh meditacijah? Koga vse lahko tisti, ki izvaja te meditacije, tako kot sicer seveda Pragit in Julien, udeleženci ne delamo nič, samo ležimo, in kakšne vse energije, zdaj smo povedali zvezdne družine recimo, kako poteka ta proces povezovanja?
Ja, tako seveda prikličemo, dejansko je to odvisno od samega izvajalca, recimo s kom se pač povežeš. Enostavno pridejo energije in veš, kdo pride v prostor skozi zvezdna vrata, recimo, ne. Dostikrat pride Mati Marija, pridejo...
Ti imaš, vem, zelo posebno, intimno povezavo, ne le z Materjo Marijo, ampak tudi z Ano, njeno mamo.
Ja, drži. Pridejo zelo močne energije in včasih tudi potem sporočila. No, povežemo seveda se z angelskim kraljestvom, zaradi tega, ker to je zelo blizu ljudem. Povežemo se z nepovzetimi mojstri in spet, težko je reči s kom, zato ker je od meditacije do meditacije popolnoma različno. Nikdar naprej ne vemo, recimo se ne moremo pripraviti.
V tem je ta čar, ne?
Točno to je ta čar, katera energija pride.
Se ti zdi, da tudi ljudje prinesejo s seboj vsak svoje entitete, recimo?
Tako, po navadi glede na skupino.
Lahko pa poveva tudi, da je pomembno to prizemljevanje, da je najprej pomembna ta povezava s planetom Zemljo, kjer pač živimo tukaj in zdaj, v tem trenutku, preden sploh lahko odpiramo.
No, to je izrednega pomena, tako da najprej, preden začnemo meditacije, se resnično povežemo z Mati Zemljo, tako da začutimo Zemljo, njeno energijo v čisto vsaki celici svojega telesa, ne. Na to, recimo, se potem, kar je zelo pomembno, aktiviramo, prikličemo eterično zavest zvezdnih vrat in aktiviramo zvezdna vrata, zato da energija še močneje seva, torej zvezdna vrata sevajo to energijo v polje in seveda v posameznika.
Torej v bistvu ne gre kar samo po sebi, je pomemben tvoj namen, da se vključiš v to aktivacijo. Dovolj je že ta namen, ne?
Namen je dovolj.
Popolna sproščenost in namen, da želiš spremembo.
Spremembo, tako.
Lahko tudi, kar izvoli.
Ja, vsak se recimo da potem neko svoj namen ali namero, kaj želi recimo z določeno meditacijo doseči in na to enostavno, kot rečemo, nič ni treba več narediti in se recimo prepustijo v ta tok energije. In sam proces, potem, ko pokličemo vse te mojstre, in ljudje dejansko,
družine, ne,
in tudi zvezdne družine, absolutno. Dostikrat recimo tudi super consciousness, torej našo nadzavest, super zavest pokličemo, da se poveže oziroma da se več te super zavesti pride v naše telo in dejansko to potem fizično tudi veliko čutimo, ne? Tudi ko podelimo potem dejansko ob koncu, kaj je kdo doživel, ne, zelo močno ljudje čutijo in prisotnost vseh bitij onkraj, same energije in dejansko tudi čutijo, kaj se jim je dogajalo. Tako da to je zelo prizemljeno. Kar je pa najbolj pomembno, rezultat tega je, da dejansko se naše življenje konkretno začne spreminjati. Ne.
Da ni samo meditacija, neko čudovito, blaženo stanje, potem pa nazaj v staro. Torej spremembe so v življenju in to je izredno pomembno k dogodku, ki pa prihaja v Slovenijo. Sandra, se še vrneva. Zelo nas zanima, kaj boš povedala, ker zdaj je pa res že tik pred zdajci. Seveda si želimo, da bi nas bilo tam ne le iz vsega sveta veliko udeležencev, ampak da bi tudi pritegnili koga iz Slovenije, ker bo to res izjemen dogodek v Portorožu, ampak prideva k temu. So, Brigitte, Sandra was explaining how we call in the energies connecting with Mother Earth, the whole process. But it's quite complex thing. You work with rejuvenation, so there are specific programs focused on that, and then Inner Child Workshop that I did, and Essence of Life with Julianne. What can we expect in the upcoming global event in Slovenia? Is it going to be all of it, or will you work with the energy of the people? Do you get a sense of what Alcazar will do in Slovenia?
Well, the thing is, because Alcazar guides it, we don't always know what's going to happen. He said in a previous show that we did that it's the 30 years that he's been working with the Stargate and with us, bringing all those different techniques together. What we need to understand is that everything in the Stargate work is just energy. And so even though there's been these different experiences and different techniques, because it's all energy, he's going to bring it all together as one very beautiful, harmonious energy field. How that will be experienced, we don't know yet, other than it's always been step by step, more and more and more. But the amazing thing is, what I'm really excited about, is that he said that the last 2 days are going to be bringing in this blueprint for a new humanity. And when we work with the Stargate, people's DNA changes. This is how the body becomes healthy again. And this blueprint is a way of reactivating parts of our DNA that are lying dormant. Even though scientists have been really starting to explore the DNA, what they don't realize is that we're only functioning on about 30% of our potential, 30 to 40%. And the Stargate accelerates this process, activates DNA. People can feel, after the meditations, their bodies are vibrating, they can feel the change that has happened. Even after one meditation. It's incredible, isn't it?
It's exactly, and I can't help it, I have to say this to Slovenian audience. Ko sem jaz prvič prišla, Sandra, se boš tega spomnila, na zvezdna vrata, na to meditacijo, sem imela močan vonj po vrtnicah in sprašujem, pa katera ima ta čudovit parfum, kaj takega še nisem nikoli vonjala, in se potem izkaže, da je bila to Mati Marija. Naslednji dan, ko sem tolmačila Brigitta, je kar naenkrat, kot da bi ta njena zavest, njena energija vstopila v moje telo, in to je bilo res čudovito. In že takrat sem vedela, da mi bo dala pesem, ker sama pišem pesmi, in je res po določenem času kar prišla ta pesem Matere Marije k meni, ki je res čudovita. Ampak Sandra, povejva zdaj, kaj se bo dogajalo v Portorožu, oziroma kdaj in na kakšen način, Brigitte, and then we'll ask you for the final channeling. This is always wonderful if we can ask Alcazar. Today the topic is who we really are. Maybe Alcazar can add a few more words to what you already explained. Who are we as humanity is the question for Alcazar. Sandra, Sandra will explain about Portorož. Kje, kako, na kakšen način?
Beloved ones, we greet thee, 'tis Alcazar. And we wish to say to you, you are far more than you can ever imagine. You are a universal consciousness. We call it a super consciousness. You are a being of light, of energy. And you have decided to come into this physical body to experience being human, experience being physical, so that you can taste the delights, you can smell the fragrance, you can enjoy this particular beautiful country of Slovenia. And so, beloved ones, you are consciousness experiencing being human, but you have lived elsewhere. Before you became human, you have lived on other planetary systems. You do not remember this yet, but as you raise your vibration, memories start to come back. Reconnection to your star family, the places you have lived before. You start to remember. You can start to consciously return there. Out of body, an experience that allows you to go visit your star family. It seems unimaginable, but it is a reality, beautiful ones. You are consciousness. You were never born. You will never die. You have existed forever and will continue to do so. This human experience is just one of many. Your physical reality is but a tiny percentage of the greater reality. It is time to awaken. It is time to know yourself. It is time to be free. It is time to explore the vastness that you truly are. We love you. We bless you. We honor each and every one of you. And we will talk to you again very soon.
That was wonderful, Pragit. Thank you so much. Thank you, Alcazar. What do we need to do to get the support of all these benevolent beings? Is there anything that we need to do, or is it just there?
Well, it's always available, but we've been closed off to it. And now society's beginning slowly to open up to it. There's all kinds of therapies that assist people to raise their vibration. The Stargate is a rapid accelerator, and people having amazing experiences with it. So we invite people to come and join us if you feel drawn to.
If you feel drawn, it's a call of the soul.
Absolutely, yeah.
Torej, če še koga pokliče ta glas, duša, če je še koga nagovoril, glas Alcazarja, res čudovit. Preganjena sva, Sandra, v tem trenutku seveda vabljeni. Sandra, morda zaključna beseda. Tale čudoviti obesek, ki imaš kar ob sebi zvezdnimi vrati v upanju, seveda kot veva, je ta dogodek, ki je pred nami v aprilu, res izjemen. Naj velja povabilo, če še kdo začuti v sebi, je tako, da se je še možno prijaviti.
Tako, možno se je prijaviti. Jaz se zelo veselim tega dogodka, ker vem, da res čisto vsak Stargate dogodek dejansko ne veš naprej, kaj se bo zgodilo, in vedno so take transformacije pri ljudeh. In zelo toplo vabljeni res, kdor začuti v mesecu aprilu, bo ta dogodek pri nas v Sloveniji. In
seveda želimo si, da, kot veva dobro, v 9 jezikov se bo tolmačilo, da bi izkoristili to priložnost, ker seveda morda nam ni vedno dano, da potujemo tako na Šasto ali pa kot ti s Pragitom, in je to res izjemna priložnost, če vas kliče. Hvala, Sandra. Thank you for Pragit. So we'll continue, hopefully some other time again, so many more questions. Hvala lepa obema. In če vas je nagovorila ta energija Alcazarja, če vas kliče ta sveta geometrija zvezdnih vrat, in če čutite v sebi, da je morda to še en tisti kamenček na poti vašega življenja, ki vam bo lahko pomagal še globje v odkrivanje, kot pravi Julianne Conard, ki dela s pragitom, odkrite novo vesolje, univerzum v sebi in okrog sebe, potem seveda vabljeni. Želimo pa vam, da si še naprej ob oddaji Klepet ob kavi nenehno iz dneva v dan izboljšate svoje življenje. Imejte se radi in, če se le da, vsaj enemu človeku vsak dan polepšajte dan.
Tudi če ga kdaj biksamo, pa pojemo kaj, kar ni dobrega za nas, pa je vendarle zelo pomembno, da zraven užijemo tudi velike količine zelenjave.